evening, good afternoon, good evening, good day, good morning. I don't know the time where you go see my video. I show wetin they do. I dey see am so.
You see her?
So this one na bitter kola. You understand?
No, go
I
down.
don't pour am for fire just now. This bitter kola very good as you dey do am so. So I don do one na it be this. So this one na honey. Una know am. So see the bottle wey I first dey put am before, e don even finish. So e good for cough, you understand? So honey and the bitter kola don already blend am. You come put am for inside the bottle. So let me put am. So na it be this. So you see put the oyoyo journal. You understand? This one na see am now they put oyoyo. E go big o. Put oyoyo inside. You go just full like this, you know. So they throw away. The thing they add though. As you put this one, put oyoyo. You know. Now the one wey I first do for you don't feel finish sef. Now see am now. So I put that for hot water so that it go melt. You understand? Now the see am so. Don't put am for here so that me melt well. If it melt, I can't shake and put am for inside fridge. It don't dey okay. If it dey for example, now say your children dey cough, you know, you just enter fridge, put am for water, give them a cup of that's 1 spoon or 2 spoon, you know, you don't finish. So that is it. My sorry, my baby dey talk for the background. See you for my next video. Bye bye. Remember, you burn the bitter kola abi na I know that one, but bitter kola abi and the oyoyo and the this thing wetin you call am, olive, no be olive, sorry, honey. So you put the honey, mix am together, come put am for the water, me melt am, you shake am, put am for fridge. You don finish. Bye bye. See you for my next video. Bye.